Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com, and I want to share with you some of my understanding about oceans and waterways, I guess you'd say. And we're going to kind of share a little bit the way I understand. No, like I say, I'm always asking questions. I'm trying to figure out how a lot of stuff works. And this is what I want to talk about. I'll let you look around. This is, I don't think it's oceanfront property, but because I don't think this is salt water, and it's a waterway, and I don't know if you can probably see. There's a lot of houses way out there, and there's houses everywhere. And one of the things that I'm thinking, because I was asking, okay, so the water doesn't come up, it doesn't flood. I thought it flooded next to the ocean. And what it is, the way I understand it, there's only so much water. And so when the tide is up, then you have the high water. That's as high as it goes, is when the tide's up. And then when the tide's down, that's when it's low. So when there's water damage and all this kind of stuff, that's when the wind is blowing. It blows the water up. So it's not flooding like I'm familiar with flooding in Kansas and Oklahoma. When it floods. But, excess water. And I guess they don't have it. It's just blown water. Water that's blowing around. And that's where they get the damage. And I guess here, like I say, this is why I say it's the waterway. It's salt water. And I don't know if those houses out there are on the island or not. And I don't know if they drudged or cut this waterway out, or is it natural? And I'm sure there's difference. In some places it is, some places not. And one of the things they were saying, the house that I'm staying at is, they were saying that it's 14 foot up, so it's not going to get water. And that's when you have houses like that are on stilts, and the bottom of that house is going to be above 14 feet above sea level. So that and sea level, it's 14 foot. So I understand. I'm still kind of confused on that. Like I say, I thought there was a lot of water, and so I'm still kind of learning on how this stuff works. And so, like I say, there's people that live on the ocean front, and the only time that they worry, and that's where the hurricanes come from. It's that blowing surf. The wind comes up and blows the surf up because there's only so much water. So if you can be 14 foot, you're going to be above the water level. Not only when the surf is up, but like I say, if it's blowing, it shouldn't get over 14 foot. So the way I understand. So I would say different places on the coast, they have different levels that they're concerned about. But anyway, what do I know? And I say this looks like it'd be like a highway, and it's looking like everybody stays on the right, so I'm guessing there's probably some kind of rules when you're on these things. Well, now they're going over here on the left side, so I don't know. Like I say, that's how I stumble around looking at things, trying to figure out how and why things are the way it is. Now, you can see it's cloudy, and it's been cloudy pretty much the whole time I've been here. It still gets some sun to jump out every once in a while, but it's not real hot. And here we're in the middle of August, and back in Kansas, Oklahoma, that's the hottest month and it's the driest month. And they've been getting rain, just like they've been getting rain here also. So, I don't know. I know there's climate change because of the sunspots. Sun's doing its thing, whatever it's doing. So things are happening. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I think I learned. And so that's the way I get smart. I got to get out and get my hands dirty. Anyway, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com.